Okay, good morning to all. So here today, trigonometry 5 marks sums. Okay, trigonometry 5 marks problems today. CM 6 marks, 4 marks complete. Okay, next 5 marks sums. So here in this 5 marks questions, 10 questions given to write any 6 questions. Okay, 6 questions. So here in the first question, trigonometry. Okay, trigonometry. One question coming, 5 marks question. So here in this first one. So first formulas, okay, first formulas. So in this first formula, so in this first one, here sin C, sin of C plus sin of D, sin C plus sin D is equal to, so here 2 into sin of C plus D by 2, sin of C plus here D by 2 into cos of C minus D by 2, cos of C minus D by 2, first formula. Say sin C plus sin D, 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos of C minus D by 2. Right, next see in the second one, so here sin C minus sin D, sin C minus sin D, sin C minus sin D is equal to, so here 2 into cos of C plus D by 2, cos of C plus D by 2 into sin of C minus D by 2, sin of C minus D by 2, sin of C minus D by 2. So in the second one, sin C minus sin D, 2 cos C plus D by 2 into sin of C minus D by 2. So in this third one, cos C plus cos D, so here cos C plus cos of D, cos C plus cos D is equal to, here 2 into cos of C plus D by 2, cos of C plus D by 2 into cos of C minus D by 2, cos of C minus D by, here 2, cos of C minus D by 2. Next here in this fourth one, cos C minus cos of D, cos C minus cos D is equal to, here minus 2 into here sin of C plus D by 2, sin of C plus D by 2 into here sin of C minus D by 2, here sin of C minus D by sin of C minus D by 2. Okay, 4 formulas. So first read and write these 4 formulas. Next 5 marks problem easy. Okay, only 5 marks sums depending upon only 4 formulas, only 4. Okay, first read and write these 4 formulas. Okay, right? Next see here in this 5 marks problem. So first question, see here 5 marks question, first problem. Say first question here, prove that. Okay, prove that sin 2a plus sin 5a minus sin a by cos 2a plus cos 5a cos a is equal to tan 2a. So first taking LHS value, we prove RHS value. First taking LHS value. See here in this LHS value. So here in this proof, right, see here, so taking LHS value, so in this LHS value, LHS is equal to, so first here taking this total value. Okay, so here sin of 2a, here sin of 2a, sin of 2a plus sin of 5a, here sin of 5a minus sin of a, sin of a whole divided by cos 2a, here cos of 2a plus cos of 5a, next plus cos of a, cos of a. Okay, this is the LHS value. See here 5a minus a, 5a minus a, here 5a minus a, here 5a minus a, 4a coming. Okay, 4a by 2, 2a coming. So here take these two. Okay, first take these two. Next denominator also same, here 2a coming, here 5a minus a, 4a, 4a by 2, 2a coming. Okay, take first these two and these two. So apply formula here, sin C minus sin D formula. See here first that is equal to here sin of 2a, here sin of 2a, here plus, see here sin C minus sin D, sin C minus sin D, in this formula 2 into here cos of C plus D by 2, so that is 5a plus a, 5a plus a by 2 into, next meaning sin of C minus D by 2, sin of C minus D, So that is 5a minus a, 5a minus a by here 2. Okay, so here sin c minus sin d, sin c minus sin d, 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin of c minus d by 2 formula by denominator. See, denominator also same. See in this denominator, see here cos of 2a same, here cos of 2a, next many plus, see here cos c plus cos d, cos c plus cos d, in this formula 2 into here cos of c plus d by 2, so that is 5a plus a, 5a plus a by 2 into next one value cos of 5a minus a, 5a minus a by 5a minus a by 2. See here that is equal to sin of 2a, here sin of 2a plus here 2 into here 6a by 2, 6a by 2 is 3a, so that is 2 into cos of 3a, cos of 3a into next one value sin of here 5a minus a, 4a by 2, 4a by 2 means 2a, 4a by 2 means 2a by here denominator cos of 2a, here cos of 2a plus next one 2 into here cos of 5a plus a, 5a plus a 6a by 2, 6a by 2 is 3a, next one cos of here 5a minus a, 4a, here 4a by 2, 4a by 2 is 2a, 4a by 2 is 2a. So here that is equal to here two terms, here sin 2a common. Okay, sin 2a is common, here sin of 2a is common, sin 2a is common 1 plus here sin 2a common, next one value 2 cos 3, 2 into here cos of 3a, 2 into cos of 3a whole by here denominator cos 2a, here cos 2a common, so that is cos of 2a, here cos of 2a is common, here 1 plus here cos 2a is common, next one value 2 into here cos of 3a, 2 into cos of 3a, okay, 2 into cos of 3a. See here 1 plus 2 cos 3a, 1 plus cos 2a, these two get cancelled here. So here sin 2a by cos 2a, so that is equal to sin 2a by cos 2a, that is equal to here tan of 2a. See here RHS value, so that is tan 2a. Okay, here tan 2a coming, so that is equal to RHS value, that is equal to RHS value. Okay, so 5 marks question. See here 5 steps, 5 marks. Okay, right? Okay, you also one more time practice this question. First write this question, one time you practice this one. Okay, okay, right? Next problem, see here in the second question, see here in the second question also same procedure. See here first here prove that here, first here prove that. So here in this here 4 terms given, 4 terms. Okay, first here it takes here, first here 5a plus a, 5a plus a, 5a plus a is 6a. See here adding this to 4a plus 2a, 6a. Okay, 6a. So first take here first to last. Okay, here first to last. Next time here these 2 terms. Okay, denominator also same. Okay, see here 5a plus a, 6a. Here 4a plus 2a, 6a. So first take first to last 2 terms. Next to these 2 terms. Okay, see here first LHS value. So here to write here LHS value. So in this LHS is equal to here first here, so sin of 5a, here sin of 5a, sin of 5a, next one plus sin a, here plus sin of a. Okay, first one, next one plus next 2 terms sin of 4a, here sin of 4a plus next one value here sin of 2a, sin of 2a whole by next to see here first last. So here cos of 5a, here cos of 5a, next one plus cos of a, next one plus, see here next 2 terms, so that is cos of 4a plus cos of 2a, here cos of 2a. Okay, this is LHS value. Right, apply formulas. See here apply formulas. So in this formula sin c plus sin d, sin c plus sin d, these are same, sin c plus sin d. So this one denominator cos c plus cos d, so this one is cos c plus cos d. Okay, so apply formula. So that is equal to, here that is equal to, here sin c plus sin d. In this formula 2 into here sin of c plus d by 2. So c plus d by 2 means 5a plus a by 2 into here cos of c minus d by 2. Cos of c minus d by 2. So that is 5a minus a by here 2. Next plus say sin c plus sin d. Sin c plus sin d. In this formula 2 into here sin of c plus d by 2. Here 4a plus 2a. 4a plus 2a by here 2 into cos of c minus d by 2. So cos of c minus d by 2. Here 4a minus 2a. 4a minus 2a by here 2. Whole it by same cos c plus cos d. In this formula 2 into cos of c plus d by 2. So that is 5a plus a by here 2 into next time cos of c minus d by 2. So that is equal here 5a minus a. 5a minus a by 2. Next time plus cos c plus cos d. So that is 2 into here cos of c plus d by 2. 4a plus 2a. Here 4a plus 2a by 4a plus 2a by 2 into here cos of c minus d by 2. So that is 4a minus 2a. 4a minus 2a by here 2. See here next step here, that is equal to, see here 2 into here sin of 5a plus a. 5a plus a 6a. Here 6a by 2. 6a by 2 is 3a. So that is equal to here sin of 3a. Next here cos of 5a minus a 4a. Here 4a by 2. 4a by 2 is 2a. So that is equal here cos of 2a. Next one plus sin of 6a by 2. 6a by 2 means 3a. So that is equal to 2 into here sin of 3a. Sin of 3a. Next here cos of 4a minus 2a. 4a minus 2 is 2a. 2a by 2. 2a by 2 is equal to here cos of a. Okay, 2a by 2. 2 to get cancel cos a. By next time value, that is 2 into here cos of 6a by 2. So that is equal to cos of 3a. Here cos of 3a. Next time so here cos of here 5a minus a 4a by 2. 4a by 2 means 2a. So that is equal to cos of 2a. Next time plus. So that is 2 into here cos of 6a by 2. So that is cos of 3a into next cos of 4a minus 2a. That is 2a by 2. 2 to get cancelled cos of a. Right. See here in these two terms here. See here in these two terms 2 sin 3a, 2 sin 3a common. Denominator of same 2 cos 3a, 2 cos 3a common. So here first numerator, that is in this numerator. So that is 2 into here sin 3a. Here sin of 3a. Here sin of 3a is common. So this is common. Next time value cos of 2a. Here cos of 2a. Here plus here 2 sin 3a common. Next time value here that is cos of a. Cos of a whole by next here in this denominator 2 cos 3a. 2 cos 3a common. So that is 2 into here cos of 3a. 2 cos 3a is common. Next time value cos of 2a. Here cos of 2a. Next time plus 2 cos 3a is common. Next time value cos of a. Cos of a. See here 2 to get cancelled. That is 2 to get cancelled. Next here this term get cancelled. Next that is equal to, see here sin 3a by cos 3a. Sin 3a by cos a. So that is equal to here tan of 3a. Okay, tan of 3a. That is equal to RHS value. RHS value. Okay, right? So this is also 5 marks problem. Okay, your model papers. Okay, board papers given revised syllabus, that questions. Okay, right? So write this question. One more time you also practice one more time this question. Okay, write this one. Okay, right? Next question. See here in this next question. See here in this next question. Next question also same here. See here in this next question also same procedure. Okay. See here first here taking LHS value. So you're taking these two terms here. Okay. Here angle is 4a. So here 6a plus 2a. 8a by 2. 4a coming. So taking sin c plus sin d. Okay. Denominator also same. So first here taking LHS value. See here in this first LHS value, so here LHS is equal to here sine of 6a, here sine of 6a plus sine of 2a, here sine of 2a plus 2 into sine of 4a, here sine of 4a, sine of 4a whole by, so sine of 7a plus sine of 3a, so sine of 3a plus 2 into here sine of 5a, sine of 5a, this is LHS value. So here apply formula. So here first formula sin c plus sin d. So here sin c plus sin d. So that is equal to, so sin c plus sin d, this formula 2 into here sin of c plus d by 2. C plus d by 2 means 6a plus 2a. 6a plus 2a by here 2 into cos of c minus d by 2. Cos of 6a minus 2a. 6a minus 2a by 2. Next one plus here 2 into here sine of 4a, 2 into sine of 4a whole by sin c plus sin d. Okay, same formula, sin c plus sin d. So that is 2 into here sine of c plus d by 2. So that is 7a plus 3a. Okay, 7a plus 3a by here 2. Next into cos of c minus d by 2. C minus d by 2 is 7a minus 3a. 7a minus 3a by here 2. Next plus here 2 into here sine of 5a, 2 into sine of 5a, 2 into sine of 5a. Okay, right. See, next step, so that is 2 into here 6a plus 2a, 8a by 2. 8a by 2 is 4a, so that is sine of 4a. Here sine of 4a. Next 6a minus 2a, 4a by 2. 2 to get cancelled. Here cos of 2a. Next remaining plus 2 into here sine of 4a, 2 into sine of 4a whole by here 2 into, see here 7a plus 3a, 10a, here 10a by 2, 10a by 2 is equal to 5a, so that is sine of 5a, sine of 5a. Next into cos of here 7a minus 3a, 4a by 2, 2 to get cancelled, that is 2a. Next one plus here 2 into sine of 5a, 2 into sine of 5a. Okay, alright. See here in this data, here 2 sin 4a, 2 sin 4a, this is common, so that is equal to here 2 into here sine of 4a is common, this is common. Next remaining term, so that is cos of 2a plus here 2 sin 4a is common. Next remaining value 1 whole by here denominator 2 sin 5a is common, 2 into sine of 5a, 2 into sine of 5a is common. Next remaining value cos of 2a, here cos of 2a plus, so here 2 sin 5a is common, next value is 1. Okay, see here first here cos 2a plus 1, cos 2a plus 1, this is get cancelled. Next here 2 to get cancelled. Next remaining value, that is equal to sine of 4a, here sine of 4a by sine of 4a by here sine of 5a. Okay, sine of 5a, that is equal to here RHS value. Okay, RHS value. So here RHS value is sin 4a by sin of 5a. Okay, write this question. Okay, write this question one more time. You also practice one more time this question. Okay, right. Next question. See here in this next problem. So here first take LHS value. So in this LHS value, LHS value. Okay, taking LHS value. So here first here cos of 7x. Here cos of 7x plus cos of 3x. Okay, these two terms. Next time here in these two terms minus is common. So here cos of 5x. Here cos of 5x plus here cos of x whole by, in the denominator first write two terms. So that is sin of 7x. Here sin of 7x minus here sin of 3x. Okay, sin of 3x. Next here minus is common, sin of 5x. Here sin of 5x, here minus common, here minus here sin of x. Right, next see here that is equal to here cos c plus cos d. So in this formula 2 into cos of c plus d by 2. So 7x plus 3x. 7x plus 3x by here 2 into cos of c minus d by 2. Cos of c minus d by 2. 7x minus here 3x by 7x minus 3x by 2. Next minus here cos c plus cos d. So that is 2 into here cos of c plus d by 2. So that is 5x plus x. 5x plus x by 2 into cos of c minus d by 2. So here cos of c minus d by 2. Here 5x minus x. 5x minus x by 2. Okay, right. Next whole it by here denominator c sin c minus sin d. So in this formula 2 into cos of c plus d by 2. So that is 7x plus 3x. 7x plus 3x by 2 into next sin of c minus d by 2. So sin of c minus d by 2. So that is 7x minus 3x. 7x minus 3x by here 2. Next minus here sin c minus sin d. So that is 2 into cos of c plus d by 2. So that is 5x plus x. 5x plus x by 2 into next many value. So here sin of c minus d by 2. So that is 5x minus x. 5x minus x by 2. Right. So that is equal to, so that is 2 into here 7x plus 3x. 10x by 2. That is 5x. So that is cos of 5x. Next here 7x minus 3x. 4x. 4x by 2. 2 to get cancelled. Here cos of 2x. Next here minus 2 into here cos of here 6x by 2. 2 to get cancelled. Cos of 3x. Cos of 3x into here cos of 5x minus x. 4x by 2. 2 to get cancelled. That is 2x. Whole it by here 2 into here cos of here 10x by 2. 10x by 2 means 5x. Next here 7x minus 3x. 4x by 2. 2 to get cancelled. Here sin of 2x. Next minus 2 into here cos of here 6x by 2. 2 to get cancelled. 3x. Next many value 5x minus x. 4x by 2. 2 to get cancelled. Here sin of 2x. Okay, sin of 2x. Okay, right? See here that is equal to, so in these two terms here, cos 2x, cos 2x, 2 to get cancelled. See here 2 is common. Next cos 2x is common. Cos of 2x. This is common. Okay, 2 cos 2x common. Next many value here cos of 5x. Here cos of 5x. Next here 2 cos 2x is common. Next many value cos of 3x minus cos of 3x. Followed by, see here in denominator here 2 common. Next minus sin 2x common. 2 sin 2x. So that is 2 into here sin of 2x is common. Okay, 2 sin 2x is common. Next here cos of 5x. Cos of 5x. Next 2 sin 2x is common. Minus cos of 3x. Okay, cos of 3x. So here 2 to get cancelled here. Next one cos of 5x minus cos of 3x get cancelled. Next one cos 2x by sin 2x. Cos 2x by sin 2x. That is equal to here cot of 2x. Okay, cot of 2x. That is equal to here RHS value. Okay, RHS value. Okay, same. These models, all problems are same procedure, no change. Okay, first read and write formulas. Only 4 formulas. Okay, here first write 4 formulas. Next practice all problems one more time. Okay, one more time. Today practice all questions one more time. 5 marks questions. Okay, one question finish. Okay, right. Okay, thank you. Today class finish. Okay, today one more time you also practice all problems. 5 marks question. Only 4 sums. Okay, right. Your textbook also given 4 sums in this model. Okay, right? One question coming in final exam. So today practice one more time all problems 4 sums. Okay, you send WhatsApp answers. Okay, without seeing notebook, write question and answer. Question first write questions, next to write answers. Okay, send my WhatsApp number. Okay, answers. Today class finish. Next to tomorrow class 5 marks questions, heights and distances. Next class. Okay, thank you.